The 2025 Zero SR, the electric superbike revolution. Speed riders, prepare to experience the future of motorcycling today. We're diving into the machine that's rewriting the rules of performance, the 2025 Zero SR. This isn't just another electric motorcycle, it's a statement about where performance riding is headed. Forget everything you know about acceleration, handling, and technology, the SR is here to redefine it all. Welcome to the electric revolution, only on Speed Riders. The electric evolution, Zero's performance legacy. Zero Motorcycles has been leading the electric revolution for over a decade, and the 2025 SR represents their ultimate expression of performance and technology. This isn't a compliance vehicle or a niche experiment, it's a fully realized superbike that happens to be electric. With each generation, Zero has closed the gap with conventional motorcycles while introducing capabilities that petrol bikes simply can't match. The SR is the culmination of this journey. Powertrain perfection, the Z-Force electric heart. At the core of the SR experience lies Zero's most advanced powertrain yet. Z-Force 75-10 motor, generating 110 horsepower and an astonishing 140 lb-ft of instant torque. Immediate response, 100% torque available from 0 RPM, delivering explosive acceleration that redefines quick. Zero maintenance, no oil changes, valve adjustments, or complex mechanical systems to maintain. Silent power, the near-silent operation that emphasizes the pure experience of riding. Thermal management, advanced cooling systems maintaining optimal performance during extended riding. Advanced battery technology, the power source. The 2025 SR features Zero's most sophisticated battery system. ZF 17.3 lithium-ion battery, 17.3 kWh capacity providing real-world range of 150 plus miles. Charging flexibility, Level 1, Standard Outlet, and Level 2, J1772, charging capabilities. Rapid charging. Optional charge tank accessory enables 0 to 95% charge in just 1.8 hours. Battery management, sophisticated thermal management and cell balancing for longevity. Regenerative braking, customizable regen settings that add range and reduce brake wear. Design philosophy, futuristic functionality. The SR's design blends futuristic aesthetics with functional purpose. Minimalist architecture, clean lines and uncurved surfaces highlighting the electric nature. Premium components, high-quality finishes with attention to detail throughout. Weight distribution, low center of gravity enhancing handling and stability. Aerodynamic efficiency, clean design minimizing drag for maximum range and stability. Modern lighting, full LED system with distinctive signature lighting. Technology suite, the digital riding experience. The 2025 SR features the most advanced digital ecosystem in motorcycling. Cypher 3 operating system, the brain of the motorcycle, managing all systems seamlessly. Zero app connectivity, smartphone integration for ride data, charging status. And customization. Riding modes, multiple customizable modes, Eco, Sport, Rain, Custom, adjusting power delivery. Vehicle analytics, comprehensive data logging and performance tracking. Over-the-air updates, capability for future enhancements and feature additions. Chassis and dynamics, precision electric handling. The SR's chassis is designed for electric performance. Aluminum trellis frame, lightweight yet rigid structure optimized for electric powertrain. Premium suspension, show a 41mm inverted forks and show a rear shock with adjustable preload. Braking performance, J.1 braking system with Bosch ABS intervention. Lightweight construction, 485 pounds ready to ride, remarkably light for an electric motorcycle. Wheel and tire package, sport-oriented rubber on lightweight alloy wheels. The riding experience, instant electric thrills. Riding the SR delivers an experience unlike any petrol motorcycle. Instant acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds with seamless, uninterrupted power delivery. Silent agility, The absence of engine noise heightens other sensory feedback from the road. Precise control, immediate throttle response, and perfect power modulation. Low-speed manners, easy handling in balance thanks to low center of gravity. Daily usability, perfect for commuting with minimal operating costs and maintenance. Performance and range, real-world capability. The SR delivers practical performance for real riders. City range, up to 150 miles of urban riding on a single charge. Highway capability, 80+ miles at 70 miles per hour sustained speed. Performance stats, 110 horsepower, 140 lb-ft torque, top speed of 104 miles per hour, electronically limited. Charging flexibility, charge anywhere with standard outlets or faster level 2 stations. Operating costs, equivalent to 500 mpg when considering electricity costs. The speed rider's verdict, the electric future is here. The 2025 Zero SR makes a compelling case for electric performance. Performance advantage, instant torque delivery that surpasses comparable petrol bikes. Technical innovation, most advanced electric powertrain in production motorcycling. Ownership experience, minimal maintenance and extremely low operating costs. Environmental impact, zero emissions and efficient energy use. Daily practicality, perfect for urban commuting and canyon carving alike. This motorcycle isn't just an alternative to petrol bikes, it's a superior choice for many riders who value instant performance, modern technology, and hassle-free ownership. Outro. Speed riders. Has the Zero SR convinced you that electric is the future of performance riding, or are you still loyal to petrol power? Hit that like button if you're excited about electric performance, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most cutting-edge motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments, could an electric motorcycle be your next ride, or what would it take to convince you? Keep riding into the future, and we'll see you on the next episode.